In the diagram here, AB is parallel to DE and there's some given angles. So the question is, what's the missing angle? Now pause the video, see if you can find it, and then hit play when you're ready for the solution. Now they tell you here that AB and DE are parallel, and I'm telling you, whenever they tell you lines are parallel in a geometry problem, you've got to look for a transversal. I can't emphasize that enough. Now here's the sort of prototypical transversal you're used to seeing in a geometry class. And remember, in a transversal, if two lines are parallel, then you've got all sorts of interesting angle relationships. And the one that I look for in particular, I think the easiest one to find, is look for this Z shape. When you've got parallel lines, look for the Z. The corners of that Z, so to speak, those are alternate interior angles. And when the lines are parallel, those alternate interior angles are congruent. That's the key thing. So they told us parallel lines. I've got to look for this in my picture. Very common trick is I've got to maybe extend some lines or draw some extra lines to really see where this all comes together. I'm going to extend line AB. I'm going to extend line DE. And I'm going to trace over this transversal that started but never completed here that goes through point C. Now take a look at the picture. See, I've got this Z shape right here. Starts at A, goes to B, goes through C, hits E, goes back up to D. That's the transversal that was hiding in this picture all along. Where the heck does this 55 also show up? Well, the alternate interior angle is over here, down by point E. So this angle right here is 55 degrees, and we're getting closer to solving the problem. Now, the next thing to notice is at point C, we've got 138 degrees already, and through point C is a straight line or a straight angle, which has a total of 180 degrees. And that tells me that this remaining bit right here has to be 42 degrees. So 138 and 42 give me that straight angle. And now we're just one step away. In this triangle, we've got a 42 degree angle, we've got a 55 degree angle. That's a grand total of 97 degrees, which means there's 83 degrees remaining up here for our missing angle. And so 83 degrees is the answer to this question. Again, when you hear the phrase parallel lines, you've got to autopilot look for a transversal in the problem. I'm telling you, it's hiding there somewhere. And if you like learning math strategies and tricks like this, make sure you hit the like or subscribe button so that you can get notified when we post more good content. We'll see you next week.